In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Binance Referral ID and referral link. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Binance and sign into your account. Once you're signed into your account, head over to your profile. If you've recently opened the referral area, you'll be able to find it at the shortcut or recommended section. Now, if you haven't recently opened it, go ahead and click on More Services. Now, scroll down and look for Gift and Campaign. Under it, you'll be able to find the referral button. Click on referral, and in this area, you'll be able to find your referral code along with your referral link. You can also directly share your referral code and link through Telegram, WhatsApp, QR code, and other social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can also share the QR photo of your referral ID and referral link. You can select the size of this QR and share it directly through different social media platforms, which you'll find under the select size section. You can also save this photo and simply send it to anyone whom you want to refer to Binance. And that's how you can simply find your referral ID and referral code on Binance. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.